A delivery chellan or delivery slip enables the user to create a chellan while sending goods between places. In Akoxi, delivery chellan option is available under the sales section. To access delivery chellan, click on the sales section and select delivery chellan. Then it opens to delivery chellan search page. Here, the user can create a new delivery chellan and it also shows the details of already created delivery chellan. The data table shows the party name, reference number of each delivery chellan, date of creation of each delivery chellan, status of delivery chellan, whether it is opened, delivered, returned, invoiced or cancelled. Next one is the invoice status, whether the delivery chellan is active or cancelled. Last column indicates the total amount of delivery chellan. So these are the details available inside a data table. On the right side of the data table, a view icon is here. When we click on the view icon, it redirects to delivery chellan view page. Near to the view option, a more option is also available. More option includes edit option. This helps the user to edit the selected delivery chellan. Next one is the view option. When we click on the view option, it redirects to delivery chellan view page. Next option is the export to PDF option. If the user want to export the selected delivery chellan into PDF format, then they can use export to PDF option. Last option is the print option. If the user want to take a printout of the selected delivery chellan, then they can use the print option. So these are the options available inside the more option. The cancelled type of delivery chellan will be highlighted in red color. Next, we have a filter option here. Using this filter option, user can filter a delivery chellan by customer name, reference number, status, which include opened, delivered, returned, invoiced or cancelled, and by date. Here, user need to set the date from and date to option or by amount. Select the required filter and click on the apply option. Then the filter delivery chellan details will appear at here. Also, near to the filter option, a search bar option is also available. Using the search bar option, user can search the details of created delivery chellan. Next, we have an export option. Using this export option, user can export the details of delivery chellan into Excel format. Now, let's see how to create a new delivery chellan. For that, click on the Add New Delivery Chellan and it opens to New Delivery Chellan form. Here, user need to enter the details to create a new delivery chellan. First one is the reference number. Reference number will be generated automatically and it will be the continuation of previously created delivery chellan. User cannot edit or make a change in reference number. Next one is the date option. User need to select the date of creation of delivery chellan. Next one is the item rate, which includes tax inclusive or tax exclusive. User need to select the required one. Next one is the customer option. Here, user need to type the name of customer or user can search a customer by using the search customer option. When we click on this option, it shows the list of already created customer. Select the required customer, or if the user want to create a new customer, then a add new customer option is also available at here. After selecting the required customer, their phone number, email address, GSTN, type, ship to address will be appear automatically. Next, if the user want to enter any customer note and terms and condition, then they can provide at here and it will be displayed in our delivery chellan. After that, user can add products to their delivery chellan. Use the grid here to enter the products. Type the name of the product and press enter. Then the entered product details will appear automatically. HSN code of selected product, their batch name. User can also change the quantity over here. Then MRP rate, sales rate, KFC percentage, GST percentage, taxable amount, tax amount and the item total will be appear automatically. User can also add multiple products within the grid. If the user want to delete or remove the created product, then use this delete option. When we click on the delete option, a confirmation message will appear. Press yes to delete the selected product. After entering the product details, the calculation of transactions will appear on the right side of the page. Here, a bill discount option is also available. If the user want to provide any discount to this delivery chellan, then enter the discount amount over here. After providing whole details, user can save this delivery chellan using the save option. Next one is the clear option. If the user want to clear or cancel the details provided inside the delivery chellan, then they can use clear option. Next option is the exit option. If the user want to exit from the current window, use this exit option. When we click on the save option, a confirmation message will appear. Do you want to save? Then press yes. Then it will be redirects to delivery chellan view page. So this is the delivery chellan view page. Here user can see the invoice number, billing address, organization address, product details, total amount and authorized signature if any. Now let's see which all other options are available inside a delivery chellan view page. First one is the new delivery chellan option. From here user can create a new delivery chellan. When we click on the new delivery chellan option, it opens to new delivery chellan page. Next one is the filter option. User can filter the delivery chellan which is created for this customer by open, delivered, returned, invoiced or cancelled. On the left side of the page, it shows the details of already created delivery chellan for this customer. Next, the user can also access the delivery chellan history. For that, click on the history option. When we click on the history option, a delivery chellan history pop-up will appear. Here, user can see the date on which the delivery chellan is created, its price and also shows by which business in which the delivery chellan created. User can also add comment relating to this delivery chellan over here. Next, under the created invoice option, user can also convert this delivery chellan into sales invoice. Then the sales invoice details such as date, voucher number, total amount will appear at here. The next option is the zoom in and zoom out option. Next we have three options to adjust the paper size of delivery chellan. Next is the edit option. This pencil icon helps the user to edit or make a change in the selected delivery chellan. When we click on the edit option, it opens to delivery chellan page. Next one is the export to PDF option. User can also export this delivery chellan into PDF format by using this option. Next option is the print option. User can take a printout of this delivery chellan by clicking on the print option. Next one is the email option. If the user want to send delivery chellan as an email, then it can be done using this email option. When we click on this email option, the next send mail pop-up page will appear. Here user need to enter the to address, provide CC address. The subject will appear automatically. User can change the subject over here. Next, the invoice or delivery chellan will be attached automatically. Then user can send email by clicking on this send option. Next option is the convert to invoice option. User can convert the selected delivery chellan into sales invoice by choosing this option. When we click on this option, a confirmation message will appear. Do you want to convert to invoice? Click on yes option. Then it opens to sales invoice form. Here, the details provided under the delivery chellan will fetch automatically. User can change the date, payment method, provide order number, change the payment term, provide description, choose salespersons if any. By choosing this grid option, user can add more products into this sales invoice. After providing necessary details, click on save option. Then a confirmation message will appear. Click yes in order to convert this delivery chellan into sales invoice. Next we have a more option here. First one is the mark as delivered option. If the goods are delivered to the customers, then mark this delivery chellan as delivered. Click on the mark as delivered option. Then a confirmation message will appear. Do you want to mark as delivered? Click on yes. Then the watermark will be changed from open to delivered. Then if the user want to revert this delivered delivery chellan into open, then under the more option, click on revert to open option. Then the delivery chellan status will be changed from delivered to open. Under the more option, next one is the mark as returned option. If the goods delivered through this delivery chellan was returned by the customer, then mark it as returned. For that, click on the mark as returned option. Then a confirmation message will appear. Click on the yes option to confirm the return. Then the status will be changed from open to returned. Next option under the more option is the cancel option. By choosing the cancel option, user can cancel the created delivery chellan. After giving the confirmation, the status will be changed from open to cancelled. So these are the details available inside a delivery chellan. Thank you.